I remember when I was a kid, playing and running around through the backyard of Grandma's home. It resembled something of a fairy tale. Large evergreen bushes that made great escapes and great imaginary fun. She had a large garden where we pulled fantastic watermelon for our summer family get-together, where we would laugh and share tales of the summer. My other grandfolks lived down in the country. I remember living in the middle of nowhere. Grandpa raising large crops, growing wheat and soy, and Grandma had her own vegetable garden and baking business. I remember giving those chickens a hard time chasing them around as a kid, always trying to keep them around as a pet. I gave them run for their money, but I realized as time has went on, I've never stopped loving being part of nature. Eventually, as with everything, in time, we get older and move on. But that spirit of being a gardener, being part of nature, never really truly left me. I realized this because Mom herself had done her own garden, spent months working with flowers, experimenting, and toiling the soil for hours and hours, making stuff grow where things had never grown before. I do remember dreaming that one day I would have my own home, my own property to do something great with. What would I do? Well, I remember being excited during COVID with the idea of building a massive garden in the backyard. One that I could tribute to my grandparents on both sides of my family and honor them in a way that I couldn't before. And today, I give this video as a tribute and an introduction to my gardening channel, in which I truly hope that I can introduce, as a third generation of gardeners, different ways to grow food, as well as to inspire each and every one of you. As I hope you get to see these adventures, the stories, the trials and tribulations that we go through throughout the summer in growing our food and preparing for the harvest, as well as being able to enjoy the food, especially when we get to cook with it and even make our own canned supplies that we can use throughout the year. So with this channel, I definitely hope that we can bring everyone together, and I want to show that you can find yourself a wonderful garden and that you can build it. And hopefully we can provide you with tools, ideas, and inspiration, because that is the most important thing. Here at Kai Dragomia, that is what we aspire to do. We want to inspire you, give you ideas, and show that you can always make something great. Here you're going to find cooking and many other wonderful things, and I hope you will be part of our community.